Gato, GPT-3, and DALL-E. What are generalist agents and how close are we to AGI? Before defining artificial general intelligence AGI, it is important to first cultivate an understanding of the distinction between strong and weak AI. The capabilities of strong AI would be virtually indistinguishable from those of human intelligence, and its raw processing power would likely allow it to outperform humans in certain domains. Importantly, strong AI is not a replication or simulation of human intelligence. On the other hand, weak AI, also referred to as narrow AI, while it may be able to perform a variety of tasks as well as are superior to humans, it cannot do so without operating within a set of predetermined computational boundaries. Let's get into the generalist agents. Gato. The Google subsidiary DeepMind recently released their generalist agent Gato. Gato is capable of performing 600 tasks from image classification and captioning to playing video games, movement of robotic arms, purposeful navigation through three-dimensional environments, and chatting with humans. Gato is also aware of and stores all the observations it makes within its context window, meaning that it can use this information to complete novel tasks without having to start from scratch. DALL-E. DALL-E is a 12 billion parameter version of this GPT-3 API, which has been trained to produce images and descriptive texts. DALL-E receives a text prompt and is then asked to generate an image from that prompt. DALL-E displays an especially strong understanding of context relevance and linguistic interpretability, which is unsurprising given its basis in the GPT-3 API. How close are we to building a successful AGI? While the advancements made by DeepMind and OpenAI in the creation of sophisticated generalist agents certainly represent a promising future for the development of AGI, we are nonetheless at least a few decades away. Finally, there exists the problem of how knowledge is represented with AGI. Perhaps it will be impossible for us to distinguish whether the AGI in question displays a true understanding of the knowledge it expresses, versus a replication of said understanding that is adequate enough to persuade humans it is legitimate.